You are living in the past. Look around you. Everything feels immediate. You believe you're experiencing reality exactly as it happens. But what if I told you that you have never experienced the present, not even once? Right now, as you're listening to these words, your brain is already late. The world has already moved on. And by the end of this video, you might question whether you've ever truly lived in now. Imagine someone suddenly throws a ball toward your face. You catch it. Simple. But think about what just happened. Before your eyes could see the ball, before your brain could understand what it was, before your muscles could move, time had already passed. Light had to travel from the ball to your eyes. Your eyes had to convert that light into electrical signals. Those signals had to travel through millions of neurons. Only then did your brain decide what to do. Every one of those steps takes time, tiny amounts of time, but time nonetheless. Which means, by the moment you became aware of the ball, it was no longer where you first saw it. Here's the part that sounds impossible. Your brain knows it's slow, so it cheats. Instead of waiting for reality, it predicts reality. Every second, your brain builds a model of what it believes will happen next, not because it wants to, because it has to. If it waited for perfect information, like you'd never catch a ball, you'd never drive a car, you'd struggle to walk through a crowded street. Your brain isn't showing you the world, it's showing you its best prediction of the world. And most of the time, it's so accurate, you never notice the difference. Think about reading this sentence. You don't recognize each letter one by one. Your brain predicts entire words before you've finished reading them. Ever called someone by the wrong name because they looked similar? Prediction. Ever reached for a step that wasn't there? Prediction. Ever heard lyrics incorrectly until someone pointed out the real words? Prediction. Your brain is constantly filling in missing information, not because it's broken, because it's trying to keep reality running smoothly. In a strange way, your mind is less like a camera and more like a movie director. It edits, it removes, it adds, it cuts, all before you even realize it. Now think about this. If your brain is constructing your experience, how much of reality are you actually seeing? The colors you see don't exist the way you imagine. Your brain creates them from different wavelengths of light. The sounds you hear are simply air vibrations translated into meaning. Everything you call the world passes through the filter of your brain first. You don't experience reality directly. You experience your brain's interpretation of reality, and that's a very different thing. So, are we trapped inside an illusion? Not exactly. Your brain isn't trying to deceive you, it's trying to help you survive. Reality moves too fast, so your brain predicts, corrects, updates, and quietly stitches everything together into one seamless experience. An experience so convincing that you never question it. Until now. Maybe the present isn't something humans can experience. Maybe it's something we can only chase. And maybe the world you've known your entire life has always been a beautifully constructed story told by the most powerful prediction machine in the universe, your own brain. So the next time you look around, ask yourself one question. Am I seeing reality, or am I seeing my brain's best guess?